Hello, welcome to Lenny's studio. Today I'm going to paint, do some more on the turntable, and I'm going to do the 12 by 12s. So I have a bunch of paint mixed up that it's the ends of a whole bunch of bottles, and they're just all mixed together to make colors. So I've just got to pick out of these what we're going to do. So one of them is going to be, I've got this nice red, kind of a medium red color. And they're kind of a bit on the thicker side than I usually do them. So I'm going to put this in. It's not really a dark red thing, but anyway, I'm going to put that red. And I've got some burgundy. I'm going to put some burgundy with it. Right on top. It's kind of mixing like a dirty pour. That's okay, I don't care about that. Still get kind of the same look. That color, and I've got a little bit of this kind of orangey. It's almost, well, it just is orange when you put it in there like that. Okay, we've got that orange. I'm going to put a yellow, a little bit of yellow. Not too much yellow, just a little bit. And I'm going to do some more of that first red that I've had. I don't know what this will look like, but we'll see. I think I only need about half a cup of paint, so I'm going to do it just like that. So that's going to be the one that I do. I'll just set it there for now. And the other one, I'm going to do some greens. And I've got this, it's kind of a teal color. So I'm going to do a little bit of teal in there, not too much. And I've got this other color that's kind of a forest green, kind of on the bluey side of a forest green. I'm going to put this in here. I'm going to put some silver. I've got a bunch of silver mixed. Some silver. And a little bit of this, it's kind of a turquoise blue. Well, this is way too thick. I've got to thin this one down some. This one is too thick. Okay. Let me see. I thought I had another green, but I guess I don't. I guess I used it all up already. So it's going to be these three colors and some white. Oh, this really needs a lot of mixing. A little more water. And in here, oh, where's my white? Here it is. I want to put a little bit of white in here. This. And I'll mix this as soon as I get this mixed. I'll put a little bit more of this in there, and then a little more of the teal. The teal or the dark green, I'm not sure which. Well, I've got a little bit of light green. I'll put that in there with it. This is still pretty thick. I'm going to have to put this in divide this up into another cup somewhere. It's too thick to mix with this. Okay. Then I'll mix some water in this. Littler bits mix up faster. In here, and I think I'll do a little bit of this here other green, this light green, just for a touch of something light in it. Okay, and I think that's it for that cup too. So I've got so many cups of paint sitting around here, I don't even have room to put them all down. But so that is for the first two that we're going to be doing today. So I'm going to flip this onto here and let it sit for a minute. And I'll flip my other cup on, the red and the reds and the orange and stuff. Flip that on. Let that sit. Then I'm going to bring back my blue cup and pull it off. I just want it to go straight up. Okay. Don't want any of the leftover stuff to be dribbled in the middle of it. Okay. And I'll pull this one straight up too. That's going to be pretty colors. I like that. I might do another one like that. Okay, then I have torched these. This has a lot of bubbles in it. And since it's old paint, I see a greebly in there that I want to take out right now. There we go. Okay, I'm going to torch this other one. Give it a quick torch. Okay, now I'll spread this one out a bit. I don't see anything else. Is that a little thing? There's a lot more paint than what I thought I had in there, but it'll spin off anyway. So I'll spread this out a bit before I spin it. Just a bit so that it's not all in one big globby piece. And bring it all back to the center. And this should be good. Okay. Not going to quite do the whole thing. I'll have to spin it the other way too. Don't like that look of that thing. That's something we want out. Get off. Okay, there we go with that. I like that look. It's always harder for me to spin with my right hand. Oops, get back on there. Okay. Almost. Tip it a bit. Tipping it doesn't really do a whole lot at this point because most of the paint is already gone. Okay, let's see what's happening here. Fix this a little bit. Edges up. This is easy to fix because it's no pattern to it right there. So, oops, that will work just fine. This kind of looks like one of those fire things you put on a car. I like that, the way that went out like that. Okay, I'm going to set this one to the side. I think this one's going to dry nice. Have a little bit of spots that need touching on the sides. I like to do it now. Okay, now we're back with the blue one. The blues and greens. I'm calling it the blue one, but it has more green than anything else. Mostly green, in fact. Okay, let's get all this stuff back to the center. Okay. Give this a spin and see how much green comes out. I think that silver's going to take over a lot on this. Yes, it sure did. It's kind of pretty though, I like it. The green did not show up. The silver took over. I did another one like that a few days ago. There we go. And the silver took over everything. Okay, I'm going to fix the sides here a bit. Any place it needs it. Doesn't really need it anywhere. So okay, that's that one. I think I have to torch these two, so I'll get my paper towels. Here we go. I think there will be a bunch of stuff pop up with this when I torch it, and I'll have to torch the other one later, but right now I'll just do this one. Yeah, it's going to bring up a whole bunch of stuff. I just hope it's not going to be 100 little dots, but you never can tell. Okay, so that's all for this video. So I'll post the finished videos at the end of this one. I'll take some pictures and post the finished look. So thank you for watching, and have a good day.